Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade white chocolate pound cake from scratch. Now, this cake is made with white baking chocolate, and of course, we add that into the cake along with our butter, eggs, sugar, white chocolate extract, and a couple of other extracts and flour. Mix that all together, and we add that into a bundt pan, and we bake it in the oven. And after the cake is baked, we top it with a delicious white chocolate icing. This cake you can get about 18 to 20 or possibly more servings, all depending on how you slice it. Wonderful white chocolate flavor and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your homemade white chocolate pound cake. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, unsalted butter at room temperature, large eggs at room temperature, whole milk at room temperature, heavy whipping cream at room temperature, sour cream at room temperature, 4 ounces of white baking chocolate, vanilla extract, butter extract, and white chocolate extract. And for your tools, you'll need some Baker's Joy nonstick baking spray, and to bake your white chocolate pound cake, you will need a Nordic Ware anniversary bundt pan. This is a 12 to 15 cup capacity bundt pan. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. So we're going to get started with our dry ingredients first. So in this medium-sized bowl with a mesh strainer, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift all those ingredients into the medium-sized bowl. Stir all your ingredients together. Okay, for our wet ingredients, in a separate medium-sized bowl, add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, 1/3 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 1/3 cup of sour cream at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of white chocolate extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of butter extract. I'm going to take a whisk and stir all ingredients together until combined. Alright, here I have 4 ounces of white baking chocolate. So first going to start off by breaking just a 1/2 ounce of the baking chocolate off. Going to break that into 2 pieces. Now we're going to set this 1/2 ounce of baking chocolate on the side because we're going to use this for the icing later. And what you have left on this chopping board is 3 1/2 ounces of the baking chocolate. Next, you're going to take your hands and you're going to break the baking chocolate into small bite-sized pieces. I've placed the baking chocolate into this medium-sized glass bowl. I'm going to heat this on the microwave on high for about 1 minute or until the white baking chocolate completely melts. And this is how it looks here. As you can see, that's nice and smooth. Alright, let's get started with the preparation of our cake batter. So in a stand mixer bowl fitted with the paddle attachment, if you have a hand mixer you can use that as well. Add 3 sticks of unsalted butter softened and at room temperature right on in there. And to that I'm going to add 2 3/4 cups of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Turn your mixer up to the highest setting. Mix this on high speed for 6 minutes. Now at some point during those 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Alright. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Start your mixer on your medium speed. Add 5 large eggs in at room temperature, 1 at a time. Alright. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Okay, next we're going to start by alternating the all-purpose flour mixture and the white chocolate cream mixture into the batter 3 separate times. Now as for the melted white baking chocolate, we're going to add that last. Add the first amount of the all-purpose flour mixture right on in there, and the first amount of the white chocolate cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the second amount of the all-purpose flour mixture right on in there, and the second amount of the white chocolate cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the third amount of the all-purpose flour mixture, the third amount of the white chocolate cream mixture, and lastly, you're going to add the melted white baking chocolate right on in there. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl, and our white chocolate pound cake batter is now ready. Spray your bundt pan with the Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Add your prepared white chocolate pound cake batter into your bundt pan. Spread the batter around your bundt pan as evenly as possible with a spatula. To make the batter more even, shake your bundt pan and tap the bottom of your bundt pan with your hand. Okay, now it is ready to be baked. Place this into a preheated 325 degree oven. We're going to place the baking pan one rack above the bottom rack. Bake this for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes now for our cake. Let's go ahead and remove this out of the oven. Toothpick inserted into the cake should come out clean. Let the cake cool for about 2 to 3 hours before removing it out of the pan. Okay, here I have a pizza pan. You could use a cake serving pad or a cake serving dish. And we're going to flip the cake over. Turned out beautifully. Now we're going to let this cool completely. Alright, before we begin making our icing, remember that half an ounce of baking chocolate that I told you to reserve? So here we have it here in this small glass bowl. We're going to place this in our microwave and we're going to melt this on high for 30 to 40 seconds. And this is how our white baking chocolate looks after we place it in a microwave. As you can see, that's nice and melted. That's exactly what we're looking for. Alright, let's get started making our white chocolate icing. So in this medium-sized bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of confection sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 1/2 tablespoons of warm whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of white chocolate extract, 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the 1/2 ounce of melted white baking chocolate. Make sure you get a spatula to get that all in there. Take a whisk and stir all the ingredients together until that icing is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. Next, you're going to take your icing and pour it on top of your cake. Go all around the top of the cake with the icing. Turned out beautifully. And from there, our white chocolate pound cake is now done. Let the icing set for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, the cake is ready to be served. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, homemade white chocolate pound cake, made from scratch by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including for this delicious homemade white chocolate pound cake. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cookandrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. White chocolate pound cake. Let's see how this is. Oh yeah. It's really, really good. It's actually like a vanilla cake with that white chocolate flavor in it. That's how I describe it. And the cake is also moist. It's a little slightly on the dense side. Y'all, I'm telling you, absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. On point. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.